I got here a 2019 Dodge Ram 5.2 liters, oh 5.7 liters. Wheel replacement and just overhaul on the bumper. Beautiful truck. I love it. First things first, there's clips here on top. It's a radiator cover. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plastic clips. So these clips use a pry tool like this, or any pry tool that you have, that you could be able to lift these plastic clips. I'm just holding the camera, that's why it looks like so hard, but it's not really hard. Okay, once you pop the top one, it's gonna be easy to remove. All the clips, you can just pop this thing out. Yeah. So I got 12 10 mil bolt on the top of this. After the grill, there's this plastic clips, 1 and 2 plastic clips that you have to remove. Then you could be able to remove the top part of the grill. And once everything is out, this just gonna slide out. Slide out. You can see it. Slide out. There you go. Now once you remove the top, go on the driver's side and passenger side. There's 2 8 mil bolt right here, and you're gonna need the ratchet or any manual ratchet that has an 8 mil deep socket or shallow socket. Okay, then remove this too, and then we're just gonna pop this out. Like that. So whatever I did on this side, which is the driver's side, it's gonna be the same thing on the passenger side. We better remove this one too. 1, 2. Why? We're taking this off. So we're gonna have an access. We're gonna have an access for yeah. So there's a 10 mil right there. Right there. There's the 10 mil. It's just located like this. So remember what I said before, you have to remove your 8 mil there, 2 8 mil, and then couple more on the wheel liner, so you can remove partially your wheel liner, so you can have an access on the 10 mil bolt holding this cover panel on your bumper. Then you just have to pull it out and then shake it, and it's good to go. Same thing as the other side. Okay, because this show you this one, it's just lock that's holding it. All you have to do is pull this thing down, and then you could be able to pull the whole panel cover. Okay guys, that's just one of secret how to remove the plastic cover on this one, because if you're just gonna yank it, it's not gonna go out. You have to pry this thing, and it would start. Once you pry this thing and pull it out, and it's good to go. So once the panel is out, there's 3 10 mil bolts that needs to be removed on each side. guess there's one broken parts here. Yeah, that's why we're replacing it, because there's a broken parts, okay? Make sure you know where your long bolt goes, okay? There you go. That's how you remove your 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 grill. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4.